Forging Friendships Season 2 is sponsored by Iron Mountain Metalcraft, located in the beautiful Pigeon Forge, Tennessee area. Go forge a memory with Forged in Fire fan favorite Robbie Bowman.
Woo!
Season 2 is also sponsored by Oklahoma Knife Group, Black Dragon Forge, Paragon Kilns, Honest Aloe, Jantz, and by viewers like you, link in description.
I'm Shelby Brewer, a customer service rep, and I've been here for 7 years. I also work in shipping and schedule freight, customer service, of course, and also do claims for when we have lost or damaged packages. Mondays, typically, I will come in and check to see what emails have come in over the weekend to see if there's anything that I immediately need to jump on, like scheduling freight. And then I will come over and help in shipping, mostly for the rest of the Monday. And just what we do, we capture payments, we make sure that everything's packed in there how it's supposed to be, see if there's any back orders that we need to attend to, and then print the label, ship it out. Through the rest of the week, Tuesdays, I still tend to work in shipping a lot because there might be some overflow from Monday. And then the rest of the week, I will catch up with claims, do more customer service than shipping. And of course, like y'all saw, run around trying to figure out certain things because while we're all knowledgeable, we don't necessarily know the length of every drill bit. So we'll have to, if the customer doesn't mind, we'll put them on hold and go and check and confer with each other to figure out the best way to help them. I applied at Jantz because I was actually working in Ardmore and they had switched me over to a night schedule, which doesn't play. I don't do that well. And so my daughter was around 3 or 4 years old and I wasn't able to be with her as much as I wanted to be. I thought that the night schedule would be easier and I get to spend like all day with her. Didn't work out that way with the sleep stuff. So I wanted to work closer and work an 8 to 5 type thing so I could spend more time with her. And I saw that there was an opening here and didn't know what it was necessarily. Came in, learned a little bit about it, and interviewed with Kenda. She was great, of course, and so I decided to start working with her and love it. They're it's a family-owned company, of course, and they are very much like family. Everybody has been here now for at least several years each, and I think we've gotten a pretty good rhythm. Everybody knows the quirks, and it is very much like a family, so. Probably more because of my personality. It took a little bit. I don't necessarily open up great immediately. So took some time to find my groove, but now they know my crazy level and stuff. So they abide my crazy. So it works out better now, for sure. And COVID, we all kind of freaked out together. So that was a bonding experience too. Probably the most challenging thing, which also is why I like it the most, is that they have allowed me to kind of bounce back and forth because I can get bored with repetitive. And I don't know if Shannon noticed that or just needed it at that moment. She was like, Shelby. So that was great because I can switch my brain off to different things. That way I don't ever really get bored. So, and plus even working just in customer service, there's always a different issue. So call to call, different problems to figure out. So I like that too. Off of what I was saying earlier with everybody's been here for a certain amount of time at this point that we are such a family vibe and fight like family, love like family, even so much that this weekend when, of course, what happened in Sulphur, I think at least probably 3 or 4 people that work here live in Sulphur. One was very close to the tornado that just recently happened. And as soon as it starts getting crazy, my phone blows up, I think, to start calling other people. And it's all of us here reaching out and making sure that everybody's okay. And I haven't had that at any other job before. And it really is like a family. We were all very much worried about each other because of the proximity that a few of us were so close. So